Hey guys, this is Condu12 aka Conrad with your third episode of my web design tutorial series, and today we'll be covering a variety of tags including hyperlinks, which are very, very important, so let's get going. Okay, so if you want to make a specific section of text hyperlink to something else, this is how you start it. So that's the tag, hyperlink tag, don't ask me why, and then you go space, or no, actually let's make my closing tag, a little precaution here, so space href, double quote, and inside of this you'll type whatever location you want your hyperlink to go. So http, and then llgaming.tk, how about? And so that is basically saying when you click on whatever's inside of these, it will link you to this. And the thing with hyperlinks is, here, let me just show you. Launching Chrome. So this text turns blue. It looks kind of purple there, but and so when you click on it, it goes to llgaming.tk, our website, by the way. You should check it out. So if you don't want the blue text to show up, that's a CSS thing, so I'll show that in a later episode, but it's not that hard, and it is possible, so just keep that in mind. So if you want to have the whole div a hyperlink, so you don't have to just click on the text, then this is how you do it. So let me take this off. Okay, so you do the same thing, except you put it around the whole div instead. I probably should just copy and paste it. href p. Okay, forgot a quote there, sorry. And then you put just a at the end, and then you are good. And you don't need to worry about the text being all blue/purple. It'll just be the way that you want it in that case. Chrome. So click on the whole thing, and there you go. So that is the hyperlink, and that is very useful because obviously it connects your whole website. So now let's move on to breaks. And so breaks are useful if you're writing multiple paragraphs, I guess within the same paragraph thing. But you want to keep it broken up a little bit. Okay, so in between all that text, you put in br space slash. So that's kind of a funky one. It's kind of like a one tag deal. There's not an opening and a closing tag. This actually acts as both, so that's the way that works. And so then you more spamming, and then if you run in Chrome or whatever browser, it drops it to a next line. And so that's just kind of a good way to divide up. You could also do another paragraph, but this is just an easier way if you just want to have a bunch of text, but you want to have them broken up. So that's how you do that. Alright, so now I'm going to tell you guys about the header tag. And so inside of your head, you can go, well, not inside of the head tag, I should say. Not inside of your head, that wouldn't work. H1. So H1 is the biggest default header that you can have. And so let me just type randomness. I'm typing way too much randomness. But anyway, save that, and I'll show you guys what is going on there. Chrome. And so it's a big, somewhat bold text. And then if you go, I'll just do one under it. H2, it's slightly smaller. And so I think I'm pretty sure it goes down all the way to H8. Okay, so if we run this, you'll see that H1, H2, it's not too huge a difference, but if you want kind of a default array of headers, then that's how you're going to get it. You could also declare the actual size of the text, but that will be in another CSS thing. Sorry, I'm referencing to all these future episodes, but that's kind of the way it goes with this. So hope you guys enjoyed the episode, and I'm going to be making plenty more. This is pretty awesome, actually. It's pretty fun getting back into tutorials again. And subscribe to Team LG if you would please, and thank you very much. Bye.